Alright, so we're just finishing up at the office for the day, and then we're gonna go run some errands, some replacement armchairs, and then we gotta go back to the motorcycle place and pay them and finish with that whole fiasco. Get ready to hurry up and wait. That's what we're up to today. Nothing really too fancy or amazing. Today things went a little bit better than yesterday. We got the chair pieces that we ordered the other day. We finished the whole motorbike fiasco, went and paid them their cash, and they're registering it. We'll hear from them at some point. And now we're in the pouring rain waiting for our grab to take us back to the office. We're gonna call it a day.